Going on, everyone? Sam here with Leighton Sports Cards, ripping one box of 21-22 Panini Mosaic Basketball Fast Break for Ronald G. So good luck here, Ronald. Let's see it, my friend. 21-22 Mosaic Fast Break, 21-22 Mosaic Fast Break.
Good luck, Ronald.
Good luck, my man. Disco LeBron, Mitchell, Greg Brown, Isaiah Todd. See like a big gold auto. That'd be dope. Kai Jones, Bradley Beal, Austin Reeves, rookie. Disco, Kelly Oubre. Herb Jones, Katie. Disco, Gary Trent Jr. Ja. Couple of base there. Disco, Trey Young. And auto, Keldon Johnson. Nice one there for the Spurs.
Nice.
Congrats, Ronald. Keldon Johnson, San Antonio Spurs. Herbert Jones, Jaden Springer, Evan Mobley. That would have been a third-year Keldon Johnson, I believe. Dosunmu, Karis LeVert Discos, Book Knight, Io Dosunmu, and an Isaiah Jackson. Disco, Joel Embiid, Giddey, O'Neal, Julius Randle. Devin Booker, Scotty Barnes, National Pride. Davion Mitchell, and Giannis. Today, blue disco, Patrick Williams. Nice one there, 285 for the Bulls. Zaire Williams, Moses Moody, Chris Duarte. Pink disco coming up. Silva, Fred VanVleet. Pink disco, DeMar DeRozan for the Bulls, numbered 8 of 20. There you go, there you go, Ronald. He is a Bull, of course. Jokic, Franz Wagner, and Cam Thomas. Do you know Cam Thomas is top 10 in the Nets history in single-season points per game scored? He's like 5th. That's how bad the Nets are historically. Nothing against Cam Thomas, but Curry, Jalen Green, no, and Evan Mobley.
What game was it? Who was he playing against?
No, for the entire season.
Oh.
Yeah, for seasons points per game, which is crazy. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
That's
Disco
insane.
Kevin Huerter. That'll be a disco variation of Jalen Green.
That's a trash.
Nice one there. Scotty Barnes, Chris Paul, and Josh Giddey. Ronald, that is going to do it for your box of 21-22 Mosaic Fast Break. Thanks again for the support, buddy. Get them right out to you.